We're here for the sauce, though.
We're here for the sauce. So we got what we got here?
They look really good. They got chicken feet.
Sweet lime and Richisha in a tie. Who can beat these two?
We're here at Sky Star to get some smashing sauce today. We get sauce from St. John's and Philip. We're here in town trying some good sauce.
Yes.
Right? Sauce Wars.
Souse Wars here in Bridgetown. Right next to Lorry Dash. You have this beautiful little restaurant here. As you can see, just give you an idea as to where we are. Right on Bay Street. Stuff they have, guys. This is so good. Macaroni pie, rice and stew, barbecue. Woo, shepherd's pie. My mouth is watering.
Is that roadies there? Oh my god, look at you rice and peas. And the stewed chicken.
Yes. Got here.
They look really good. They got chicken feet. And they got what looks like this meat.
Yeah.
Might be, don't put no more on there. Don't put no. I can smell that from here. Look at what she going done and did.
My mouth watering.
Look at what she done gone and did.
Oh my god. Are you ready? Ready?
And you're all red, all Christmassy.
Yes, Christmas.
All Christmassy.
Even though I feel you should not stop me for this music here.
Yes, it will. Is it really hot?
I love pudding. It's really hard to get.
You pudding good? Nice. Alright, one more water and done. I done.
This tastes so damn good. This tastes so good, guys.
So remember, you all got cash when they come, right?
Yeah.
Bring cash.
We do steamed fish. We do turkey wings.
Yes.
We do barbecue.
Look at that.
We do pork chops.
Yes.
And ribs. We do barbecue ribs and pork chops. So you get them fried, you can get them made. And then there's chicken fried rice.
Yes. And lasagna, you see you did?
Lasagna is on Fridays. We have the mac and cheese.
Yes, Bajan mac and cheese. Yes, macaroni pie.
You get wings, normal chicken wings.
Yes.
But you get normal chicken wings at 3. You get the triple 10.
Nice. These are so big.
You get lamb, you get chicken, you get you even get some shrimp rotis. You get beef, you get potato, you get lamb, you get pork.
Nice. And look at this rice and peas.
And then you get chicken stew and things like just like you know.
Yeah. But this is all Bajan food which people want. This is all Bajan food and people want it. So you know where to send them.
12 seconds later.
Braf. How was it? Would you recommend it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell me, this is Souse Wars.
You ain't beat Sweet Spot yet.
So see, Sweet Spot is still the best.
Sweet Spot is still #1 so far. Real talk. Real talk. Yeah, I beat Sweet Spot. Not that so. Ought to come good.
Try not to throw away mine.
Souse struggles, trying not to throw away the Souse juice. Comment if you can relate.
We are in Bridgetown. Sorry about the overexposure that's trying to get it to be better. I can't play none of this YouTube because you monetize me. For somebody that is
Oh my god!
You got a piece of pepper?
Piece of pepper don't hit me full, boy.
Alright, so we're in Swan Street. Let's give you guys a little bit of Swan Street.
This Swan Street?
What's this Broad Street? This is Broad Street during the Christmas season. For me, I feel like much. Like I feel like Christmas this year isn't as well decorated or it's,
Yeah, and because the economy fucked up.
yeah, things are obviously rough this
The
year.
economy in shambles right now,
So things are rough. People are shopping though.
Yeah, of
As
course.
you can see, Broad Street is full of people. Everybody's shopping. This is no Friday. This is Friday. This is a Friday.
It is the Friday before Boxing and Christmas Eve.
Yes, this is the last Friday before Christmas.
No?
Isn't it?
Next week Friday is Christmas Eve.
Oh yeah. Streets are full. Just for those who like to see Broad Street, this is just a little snippet. All you're seeing is cars right now anyway. Look at the lines. That's a line to get a bank.
To get the ATM.
To get the ATM?
Yep.
What the fudge?
The bank shop.
You still got your Salvation Army woman or man. If you ever keep a noise of that little bell. If you know Barbados, you know that sound. Or any party world apparently.
Salvation Army all over the world is ringing that bell?
I think this all over here the world is ringing that bell. But it's busy. It's Friday and I'll be right back with my review of the Souse. If you know about Souse, you know holding it to make sure that the juice don't get out of the container is priority. And I quite certain I got Souse all in the bottom of this container. Antoine has already pretty much devoured his.
Time I can't support when it comes to social scene.
And we supposed to have Saturday Souse bars, but it's a Friday, but you know it's close enough to Saturday. Yeah?
Yeah, come on, Saturday.
Yeah. Woo! Man! I always tribute Souse on myself, dang.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, like.
What?
You're saucy.
Such an idiot. Comment if you buy Souse and end up with a bag of juice. Can't forget to focus on it. This is my bag of juice here. Oh yes, this pudding is so creamy.
Yeah, it's really creamy. I prefer to have my pudding tasting like potatoes though.
Wait, what?
Potato.
That's two? Oh wow.
I'm pleased with my omelet. Don't always mean that it's ain't serious. That just means that they're trying to get rid of one go.
I want the sugar half it.
Barbados usually most things aren't serious.
Most.
When it is, it is.
We're here on Bay Street. And it's Christmas time and the cruise liners and the yachts and the ships here.
In abundance.
There's so many. You want some? Are you looking at my full sauce?
Your rum making it so much worse. Eat piece of your food.
Babe, I got hot sauce.
Eat.
You eat all your sauce? Oh, you put them? You all you put them? Sure? What happened?
No put that anymore, yeah?
What happened? What am I doing now?
True, swallow that.
Already.
It's a
For a square, by the way.
you see? Ain't hot. So black.
I got no words.
You won't gonna be on fire here.
All onto my stomach. That's too much. Not again. I think it'd be a bad idea putting so much pepper on this.
I don't know what you do that.
I love pepper. Comment if you like pepper on your
But then you
pudding sauce.
can't. What's the sense of putting so much pepper? You then can't enjoy the flavor of the food.
Just like people who like ketchup.
What do you mean? Ketchup tastes better than pepper?
Mm-hmm.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Ketchup is tomatoes. Pepper is pepper.
Pepper is a life.
No.
Serious. Saying this is your cool and everything. Okay, guys. Adding to the list of places you can get pudding and sauce is Sky Star on
Restaurant and Grill Bistro.
on Bay Street.
Rotisserie. Saucery.
On Bay Street.
Yo, the rotis in there so big. You hear me tell you? That was the biggest rotis for the island.
That's how
Show me a bigger roti.
That whole Shafat roti used to look.
Could never. Shafat rotis was never that size.
What?
They're abnormally big.
Big John.
Nah, Big John rotis ain't that big neither.
Comment if you remember.
Comment if you remember Big John. You remember Big John's?
Big John closed down in 2000 and.
When I remember when Big John had a restaurant upstairs, it was Mall 34.
Where did you do
That's Mall 34 over there.
I know.
Right, the customer was on. Right. The customer was doing that had the fire earlier this year. Snap back to that fire. But yeah. Big John's actually had a restaurant. It looked like Chef and everything. It was pretty cool. But
Can't take what's Shafat.
I don't think they were trying. They were just trying to be relevant, you know. It wasn't bad though, Big John's.
There's too much pepper.
That's the pepper for you.
Add to the list of places Sky Star. I love their pulled pork style of pudding and sauce. And their pudding is so creamy and nice. You can eat it on its own. Don't get all that hot sauce like me. If you want to see more sauce wars, we call it Saturday sauce wars because it's so nice, but it might not always be on a Saturday. But tomorrow is Saturday.
Nah, we can keep calling it Saturday sauce wars even if it's on Thursdays. It's still Saturdays.
Yes. The point is to give you sauce regardless
On
of
Saturdays.
Yes. So this will go up on a Saturday. Comment if you've ever had. Wait, name?
Sky Star.
Sky Star. If you've ever had Sky Star, you know Sky Star.
Where's your brain?
Inside the pepper. Let us know because we love it. Again, I love the way the meat is just crumbling and falling off. Pudding is amazing. I think I may have a bit of a tie. Antoine is still stuck on.
I'll tell you who.
With this name here.
With Sweet Lime?
Nah, the other one I like.
Well,
Trissa something, Katrissina.
I can't remember. But opposite the road from Sweet Lime. You can imagine that? They got a place that sells sauce here, and then across the street here, you can get sauce too. But Sweet Lime got them beat though. Allow me to tell you how.
Yeah, he got two different opinions on how this food tastes. Sweet Lime is good, but I still prefer this name here. Forgive me, the name is a little hard to catch on to. Antoine trying to pull up their menu.
Sweet Lime, you could get sauce. You could get shrimp sauce, chicken feet, necks, gizzard, baked pork. You could get not normal sauce. You could get pickled pigtails, which is like pigtail sauce. You can get pickled fish, which is fish sauce. You can get sea cat bojol. You can get human foot sauce. Whatever you want.
Human foot?
Human foot sauce. Whatever you want. Whatever you want, Sweet Lane, I got it out there. I just making sport with human feet, alright? Sweet Lane got them beat though. Sweet Lane got Barbados.
No!
Ooh. Listen, tomorrow Saturday, we can continue the war. See you tomorrow. But the war is tomorrow. Sign out.